Hey, it's Dr. Allin here at Evolve Chiropractic in Woodstock. I'm going to go through an excellent exercise for stretching your mid-back. A lot of patients that come in were stuck in rounded positions in the upper thoracic spine and middle thoracic spine. So we're going to work on a really good exercise to open that area up. So what you're going to need for this is going to be some type of a foam roller and then some form of a pillow to support your head. So when we do this, we're going to lay on our back. You're going to have one leg all the way stretched out. Now the opposite side is going to bend, and you're going to want to keep your foam roller on the side that the leg is straight. So from here we're going to roll slightly until I can support my leg on the foam roller. So I'm in basically a sideline position. Now from this position, I'm going to anchor my leg with this hand that's on the same side. All right, so my right leg is bent, my left leg is stabilizing at the knee. Now from here, we're going to start the movement by reaching through our bottom leg, and then my top hand is just going to rest right behind my neck here. Now from here, we're going to do an opening movement. So I'm going to take a nice deep breath all the way in, and we're going to reach our elbow all the way back about midline, and then from here, as I breathe out, I'm going to roll and reach my elbows straight back towards the floor. And we're going to take a nice deep breath in again, all the way out, and reach a little bit further. One more breath, all the way in, and all the way out. Now on this out breath, we're going to close the door and roll back in. Now as you progress with this, I recommend doing 3 breaths each time you go through the movement. Breath in, halfway, and then out. We're going in a little bit deeper. Now as I'm doing this, I'm trying not to get a lot of stretch going into my lower back. So I really want to focus on pulling my abdomen in towards my spine. So we're locking this area in place. Another way to help with that is to put a little bit of pressure, like I'm trying to kick my leg out straight, but this hand is stopping that. So that's going to help lock in my low back in place a little bit better, and then reaching through the bottom heel. All right, so we got that nice and tight, locked in. Deep breath in halfway. The other half, we're going to breathe out and roll open. Now again, breath here, all the way out, go a little deeper. One more time, all the way out. Good. As we breathe in, close the door as we breathe out. Good. So once we get comfortable with that movement, I'd say do 3 to 5 cycles of that. Then we can get into what's called the Bretzel exercise. Kind of like a pretzel, but named after the person who developed this stretch. So what we're going to do with this one is we're going to reach back, grab onto the ankle, and open that back shoulder up. Now as I hold this position, I'm locking my belly in nice and tight. I'm lifting my sternum up, and then pressure is going into both hands. So I'm trying to straighten out both of my legs. So I lift my chest, and then from here, we're going to focus on the breaths. All the way in. As you breathe out, bring that top shoulder, or that shoulder that's holding the bottom leg here, back towards the floor. Big breath in, all the way out. And we'll try to do one more cycle, all the way out. Now once you do those breaths, you can kind of hang out here, meditate, relax a little bit. You can do this up to 2-3 minutes. As we're coming out of this one, we're going to slowly release our pressure, bring that arm across, relax down, take a few seconds before we decide to come up. We're going to press into the ground, walk ourselves up into our squat position, lunge here, and then we'll come up. So again, this is an excellent exercise. Try not to trip over your foam roller. Really good exercise for opening up your mid-back. If you have questions about this one, feel free to reach out. Be safe, have fun, get at it. I'll see you soon.